TSC is a manufacturer of design and production, sales, and service of air compressor for fiber laser cutting machine. Products include single-screw air compressor, integrated laser cutting screw air compressor, box integrated laser cutting screw air compressor, box type 5-in-1, special screw air compressor for laser cutting, and other different models of products. Technicians have an average of 5 years of relevant work experience and efficient assembly. Professional testing equipment effectively reduces product failure rates. Various accessories are complete. The production time is short, so there is no need to wait for a long time.